At Milton Hershey School, our hands-on approach to learning is deeply rooted in our school's history. Our founder, Milton Hershey, started his journey as an apprentice. It was that opportunity that transformed his life and the lives of countless others he would never meet in the community and the school that bear his name. Apprenticeships in the 21st century look very different from Mr. Hershey's time, but the needs are the same: to train highly skilled professionals for in-demand careers. That's why we've developed the MHS Apprenticeship Program. It allows our high school students and young graduates the opportunity to gain hands-on, real-world experience with the ability to jump into a highly skilled career following high school. In high school, our students can choose to follow a pre-apprenticeship. There are multiple pathways through our career and technical education program that can lead to a pre-apprenticeship. By allowing students the ability to work in their desired field before graduation, they have the potential to earn a state-registered pre-apprenticeship certification, giving them a professional edge.
When our students graduate from Milton Hershey School, they have the opportunity to continue their training and education through a post-secondary apprenticeship. It allows them to continue their education while earning an income. The process starts during their senior year of high school. The Graduate Programs for Success Division, also known as GPS, will work with our seniors to develop a plan that includes understanding how the Continuing Education Scholarship, also known as CES, can be used. Once our graduates are in an apprenticeship, additional resources are provided. They are matched with a career services support specialist to guide them through the process. In addition, graduates are paid for attending workshops that help them complete the program. Overall, take a look at the average starting salary for an apprentice and how much more those who complete an apprenticeship can earn.
The MHS Apprenticeship Program is for those who are ready for hands-on work in a field that they love. Through this program, our students and graduates will gain experience. They'll earn an income, and they'll also gain an education in a highly skilled, viable career path. Learn more about our apprenticeship program at mhskids.org, and be sure to watch our other videos to learn more about GPS and CES.